brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low where no love goes. Women buddy like it's been that. When me looking at the bill stack. Off the bubbly buddy, I've been stressed out. Let the smoke scream from my chest out. Laced up, I really hate love from a stranger.
Fun fact, Team Buckhouse, this is the closest I have ever slept to a ski slope. Chestnut Mountain hooked it up, and they are giving us full-blown hour and 15-minute private park session prior to the resort opening up, prior to the park opening up. We get exclusive access to just test out the park. I'm so excited. I'm so stoked. The only thing that's a bummer is it's negative 21 degrees right now. So it is super cold. Cody doesn't have his glove on. What are you doing, dude? Get that glove on, man. Oh, man. It looks cold out here, but that ain't gonna stop us from throwing down. We gotta find Benton and let's get it. All right, Benton, are you ready, dude?
I'm ready.
Oh my.
This is awesome.
This is nuts. Alright, we just scoped the park. It's gonna be sick. That square jump is a little scary, but other than that, it's gonna be fun.
A lot of scary.
It's always nice when you get a sled lap up. Park is so sick. Huge shout out to Chestnut for doing this for us. It works out because we're testing the features for them at the same time of getting private access. Hit the subscribe button yet. What are you doing? Smash it! Those sled laps are awesome. They're like tow rope laps essentially. But your feet, just like riding a tow rope, start to burn after a while. So this is me taking a foot brake, sitting here. But it's more fun to be back there. This rail's kink is gnarly, super fun. If we were to ride into this rail, we'd have more speed for it. But we keep stopping to like see each other hit the jump. Such a cool area to have a park, sitting at the bottom. Like it tucked away in its own little corner. It's so awesome. Of course, Benton's got swivel foot, so you gotta get that fixed. But that gives us plenty of time to mention today's sticker shout out. We got Ryan with the white Evolution sticker on the back of the helmet. Looking insane, man. I love that placement. I love seeing where you guys put the Evolution stickers. As well as we got Ali Mountain with the blue flame sticker and me in the background. Looking insane, man, guys. Thank you for sending Evolution stickers. If you're a skier, we do have a ski version of the Evolution sticker. And if you want an Evolution sticker or any of the merch, the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, the windbreakers, my goggles, all my merch, guys, is linked in the description. If you do snag any of it, make sure you tag me on my Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. But also just follow the Instagram for bonus extra content. You would know we're getting private sled laps if you were following my Instagram, which is really incredible. So check out the Instagram and the TikTok. We actually post a bunch of bonus extra content on TikTok as well. And here we go. Let's keep it going. This rail is heavy. I don't know if I got this, but Benton's claiming he has it, so. Oh, it's covered in snow. Woo! Oh. Guys, I cannot believe they gave us early access like this. There's a decent amount of snow on this rail. My favorite thing about this park are these trees that are just in the park. Like normally you don't see that. Like I'm chilling with the tree. There's a tree next to this rail. Man, I really love trees. Crazy, anything can overheat. For being negative 21 degrees, I am sweating so bad from these laps. Look at all these trees. I need to take that hit as big as Benton. Oh gosh, come on. Real sticky, so we're kind of just like dealing with it. Oh, that was sick. Oh, much better. Oh, I had it. Thank you, sir, for the free rides.
Thank you. I'll be looking forward to watching.
We'll send it to you. All right, that's the end of the free sled laps. We got a full hour and 15 minutes early access to the park while they were still building it. Chestnut, you're insane. If you live in Illinois, you can get so good at riding park. This park is like Colorado level heavy park. This is sick. I'm having a blast. This wouldn't have been possible if Benton wasn't so good at networking and talking to people, and he made it happen, dude, so let's go. This is a blast. I do want to get 50-50 back lip on that rail. So we'll try that line again, and then we'll do the chairlift lap and hopefully cool off, but not too much because it is freezing. Ah. Oh! It's nice when we come to a park like this to have Benton, because he'll just send anything no matter what it is or what shape it is. I've never hit a square jump. I rode over it. It was a little awkward, and I was like, you know, I don't need to die on this. We have a long season ahead of us, but Benton can die on it. Send it, Benton! the chairlift life. Here we go. All right, before we do these chairlift laps and everything, like I said, it's negative 21 degrees. It is freezing out here, but I'm staying warm because of today's video sponsor, Quanta Vic. They're heated socks. Are you kidding me? I've been waiting. I get asked all the time, can you review these heated gloves, these heated socks, nonstop? Can you review it? And I was like, I don't know. But then these guys reached out, and their packaging itself is just so fancy. When I unboxed them, I was mind blown. I was like, all right, these guys are pretty high end. This stuff's gonna be legit. And it is, because it has a phone app to operate the socks. But you got like your cool mode, your warm mode, your hot mode. Hot mode, I thought I was gonna burn my feet off. These socks are insane. They're super warm. They have a long battery life. I wore them all day yesterday to pre-test. And I was nervous at first too, because I was like, okay, these socks have like coils running through them, everything like that. It's gonna be uncomfortable while I'm riding. I can't feel them at all. And if you look closely, the battery packs and everything sits above your boot. So you don't have to worry about like your boot pinching it, everything like that. So these socks are legit. They're linked below. You got 15% off if you use code Johnathan Buckhouse. And Quanta Vic, thank you for sending me the socks, keeping me warm. They sent me these fancy gloves as well, but my hands are already always super hot when I'm snowboarding, so I didn't wear them. But they're perfect for events or being outside. The battery pack kind of sits on your wrist and everything, but the gloves are also incredibly warm and incredibly awesome. So Quanta Vic, thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Thank you for sending me the warm gloves. Oh, and we're doing a giveaway. All the giveaway information is linked in the description. Win yourself a pair of these as well. All right. We're gonna kind of ride the more mellow features now. We got sled laps for all the big boy features. Let's check out their smaller rails and all the other stuff they got going on. And then we gotta get out of here and gotta go ride into the ski resort today. So here we go. Oh my God. Nice! He's a madman. So this mountain has an insane view of the Mississippi River. It's hard for you guys to see. I can see it though. It's gorgeous. Oh, he got it! Uh-oh, Benton. No, Benton. You better stop flipping.
Hey, they don't call me no flipping Benton.
That's why we bring Benton along. By the way, Chestnut also has a park-only chairlift, which is like what makes a park incredible. But guys, with that, we have to end this video. Chestnut, thank you so much for the private access, the sled laps. I think you guys come check out your park and your mountain. It's incredible. If you live in Illinois or in Wisconsin or anywhere near here, come check out this place. This is heavy. This is a big boy park.
It's also opening day.
And this was opening day.
Debut.
Got the debut of the park. So guys, thank you so much for allowing us to come rip it. And with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video because we're about to go ride 2 more resorts today. So
let's go.
Let's go.